Am I recording? Let me turn my system up, guys. It is 9:55 a.m. or a.m. I don't know. Yeah, I'm making a good. Yeah, not the great, not a great time for decision lines books. I'm gonna wake myself up. Oh my god, man. Oh yeah, alright, we're gonna celebrate. Oh yeah, yeah. Just let me take you to a better place. I'm not mad at you. I think you guys can bear on. Throw it away. I'm sorry. You did listen. Yeah, I want to see you. I'm gonna. I want to see you. I've got in a hurry. What matter? This is way too annoying at the first place. I'm just starting my finger. I like. Yeah. Yeah, I'm still recording. I got a green one, I'm pretty sure. That's like, want to be bright. 10.
Hello, I'm Verity, your personal helper friend. Ask me anything. I know everything.
What's the capital? What the fuck, guys? What are you?
Hello, I'm Verity.
No, thank you. No. Huh? What? Yeah. Okay, we're back to the video. Sorry about the well, you guys can see it now, but I have to. Google Glass. Actually, Discord. Okay. Stop there. Stop it. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. I'm making a video. Oh. You're in a video of mine, Audrey. What? You're in a video of mine from in my channel. Well, go on YouTube and then play it. Guys, say stop to Audrey. Hi. This is my cousin I've been talking about. The code that kept screaming in my videos. Sorry that I'm screaming, by the way. Obviously, I was screaming. But Verity is gonna kill you. Ow. Oh, Verity, please, Verity. Verity gonna take the cake? I think it's broken. I think it got smashed in when you attacked. Okay, so wait. This is my answer. This is gonna be the end of my video. Say goodbye and say bye to MLG. Bye. Later, guys. Peace.